Hello everyone, it's Birdie. So I had a couple friends ask me about the embossing machine, the cut embossing machine. So I thought I would just do a little uh, video explaining what it is and what it comes with and what you can do with it. So this is the machine. It's very sturdy, very heavy. Not very heavy, I mean you can lift it. I don't know, maybe 10 pounds. And it comes like this. It has two plates that open. It's very portable. You can take it anywhere you'd like. And what this machine does is it is a die cut machine and also an embossing machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how, well, let me show you the plates. So it comes with 4 different plates, 5 different plates. Here's number 4. And as you can see, each one is numbered. 1, 2, and then these are both numbered 3, and then you have number 4. So on these plates, it tells you exactly what plates to use for the project that you're doing. If you're die cutting, it tells you to use plates 1, 2, and 3, both of the 3s. And then if you're embossing, it tells you to use just 1 and 4. So it's very self-explanatory, very easy to use. I will say these plates, mine look pretty beat up already. And when they first come, they look like this. They are just beautiful. This is what they look like. And you can get replacement plates. They're not very expensive. They're like $11. But what you'll find is when you first get them, they look so beautiful and so clean. And the first time you do a die cut, it looks like it just beat the thing up, like it cracked. But it doesn't. It still works. Believe it or not, this one I still use every single day, and it works fine. I did find that after a while, it started bowing, and what I did is just took the bottom one and flipped it, and then that kind of straightened it out again. Also, you always want to use the same one on the bottom and the same one on the top. That does make a difference. It prevents you from getting different lines and things in your piece of art that you're working on. So I'm just going to do just a quick little demo of a die cut, and then I'm going to show you the embossing as well. So we have, I'm going to do a die cut. So it says to use plate 1, plate 2, and both of the 3s. So as you can see, I've got my beat up one on the bottom. I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then I'm going to put my piece of stock paper, cardstock. And then I'm just using one of my die cuts. And then you put your other plate, number 3, right on top. Okay? Then we're just going to slide it into our machine. It's very easy to work. Just roll it through. When you have those new plates, they're going to pop and make a lot of noise, but don't let that freak you out. It's very normal. So here we have a die cut. Take it out. And this is what you have. Isn't that cool? Pop all these out. So that's a die cut. That's what you get from it. Now I'm going to do the embossing. Let me take that out. Let me tap all these little green specks in the trash. Okay, so now I want to emboss something, and my plates, they tell me to use number 1 and number 4. So I'm going to put number 2 down. Both my 3s are down. And then this is number 4. Okay, so an embossing folder comes like this. well, Stampin' Up! Has quite a few beautiful embossing folders. This is one of my absolute favorite. So let me just show you how this works. So you're going to put your cardstock right in between the folder. The folder opens up like that. Put your cardstock in, fold that down, and then our plates tell us to use 1 and 4. So you just sandwich your cardstock right in between. Stick it in your machine. Okay, hold on, I kind of have to press it. There we go. And then you just roll it through. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. And hopefully you can see this. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, to me, that is just so cool. And that's a beautiful, you could just make a card just out of that. It's beautiful. So there you go. That is the cut and embossing tool. It's an investment. It does cost, let's see, it costs $125. I got mine half off because the first order that I placed was quite a large order. And they, of course, give you discounts. And if you become a demonstrator, you get an automatic discount. So, anyway, it's the best thing I've ever invested in. It's really good, and I love it. So let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can show you. All right, thanks. Bye.